guys, good afternoon. This is Bruce from Hanzo Elka Bike, and today we're seeing this beautiful Indian bike. And actually, it is a modified bike. Now let's start from the fork. This fork is our own design. It is a classic Springer fork, and it's coming in a beautiful chrome color. Well, now we are, doing this in a public road, so you will be seeing vehicles coming and going. You will be seeing people walking around and boats, driving on the river. All right, let's continue. This is a fork which we built by our own self, and it's quite classic. Also, it is a 40-inch wide, and the dropout opening of this fork is up to 150 millimeters. So it basically fits for tire, which is 40-inch tires, 4-inch wide. But this tires we're using right now, it is 3 inches wide, but 4 inches is ideal for this fork. Okay. So what else? Now we have the top tube. It is an integrate. It is also an integrated version because it's also the tank. It contains up to 4.7 liters of gasoline, which is pretty cool. Oops. Hope I did not damage the pants. Anyway, I'll put it back. Now the engine is sitting right here. Now the engine is sitting right here. It is basically a 4-stroke engines, and it's running on gasolines only. And the displacement of this engine it is 80 cc. So that's basically about the engine part. Now we have some small parts which are quite beautiful too. For example, we have this front back right here. It's fashion as well. We can put some sort of speakers, like cylinder speakers or MP3 players, something like that inside of this box. It will be like, it will be cool if you're running with your music on, some very loud music. That'll be like, wow. And at the same time, for example, this seat is made in Taiwan. It's high quality as well. High quality. And the fenders, the fenders and skirts, they are same color. So as we can see, these parts are basically coming with 2 colors. This yellow color and this clouded color. So I think they are making a perfect combination. And what else? So we have the chains right here. It's gonna be it's gonna pedaling mode. And otherwise, on the other side, we have the transmission part, which means the bike is running on the gasoline. So 2 driving system. All right. So I think this is it. Now let's give it a ride. Now we have the jacket, we have the cigar, then we have the jacket. Now we have everything ready. We have the jacket, which is an Indian jacket. And we have the pair of glasses and the cigar. I think it's pretty. It's a fairly cool thing, you know. What do you think? And I have my hairstyle. Everything is in a perfect condition. So let's give it a ride. All right, let's go. There we go. By the way, I almost forgot one thing. This is a brand new bike. This is a brand new, and we do not fill the motor with any gasoline. So all I have to do is to pedal around. I have to pedal a little bit, and we will see how it is like. Anyway, I think it's a little bit hard when you are when you pedal back all along, all the way to the. I mean, it's gonna be hard, but let's try. Let's go. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you wish to get more details of this bike, please feel free to let me know, and I would be happy to provide you with further details. Thank you very much. Bye bye.